Alright, today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be talking about this new polish I found on Facebook. This is my all-time favorite. This is the Mother's Billet polish. And you can buy this from Pep Boys, AutoZone, and Amazon, I guess. But this has been dethroned. I use this stuff to polish my wheels, my manifold, and a bunch of other stuff. So I found this stuff on Facebook. Check this out. It's called Dura-Coating, and I kept seeing this infomercial about it, and I thought it was just BS. So I was like, all right, cool. I'll order it and just kind of prove it wrong. Guess not. This thing is insanely good, and I'll show you how that works on my rear wheel now. Right, here's the rear wheel polished with the Dura-Coating polish. Insane, dude, insane. And I've used Mother's Billet polish for a good few years, really, since high school, and I've never gotten this result. And dude, I didn't really spend a lot of time on this wheel. I mean, yeah, it was already polished, but you know, they do kind of haze after a while, especially if you hit it with water or whatever, or if you're driving it raw aluminum will tarnish. So this took me maybe about 5 minutes each to polish. Look at that. Insane. Insane. I could never get this result with the Mother's Billet polish. I mean, I know it sounds biased, but I mean, I'm totally not biased. I love the Mother's Billet polish stuff. And yeah, the Dura-Coating stuff is a little bit more expensive, which you can kind of tell the difference, which is fine because, you know, I'll buy like 5 more bottles or a gallon or 3. This is insane. Look at that. That is cool, man. So I don't really buy into the hype on Facebook or like infomercials, because most of the time I think they're BS and they're just trying to sell product. But dude, this is probably one of those Facebook stuff that I'd probably recommend. All right, so here's our polish Dura-Coating, and you can get it from Dura-Coating.com. Now, I wasn't paid to do this little review. I didn't actually want to do a review, but it's so freaking good that I was just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna have to do this. I paid for this. I forgot how much it is. It was like 20 bucks or something, or maybe more. As you can see, I totally don't care. But I just wanted to try it because I saw the infomercials on Facebook and it popped up like a billion times. I was like, okay, I'm gonna call bullshit on this or I'm gonna praise it. So I bought it, and check this out. This is my garage door rail, and it's never been polished. As you can see, it's galvanized and it just looks raw. So we're gonna put a little bit of Dura-Coating on our dirty rag here. And we're just gonna go through this real quick. Now I'm applying moderate pressure, not too much and not too little, just, you know, normal, and just circular motion here for a good few seconds. Then I'll show you how it looks after. So that been long enough? That seems like it's long enough, right? All right. So you get your clean side, wipe it down, and look at that, dude. Get closer here. That is freaking insane. Look at that. It's like a mirror now. And remember, before it was just raw aluminum. Looks like this up here or down here. But look at that. It literally reflects light like no other. And mind you, we only spent what, a few seconds rubbing it on there, and it already looks that amazing. Wow, dude. Just wow. And you can see that reflection in my finger here. Let me see if I can get it on there. See that? All right, let's do another piece. All right, so if you're anal like me and like to polish your OE hardware, I'll show you a trick here. Put your bolt, whatever you're working on a drill, like so, and then get your rag with a little bit of polish, like so, and just turn it. You guys ready? Check this out. Bam! Look at that. Look at that, dude. Insane. Insane. Look at that. Wow. Freaking awesome. So good, man. Easy, and it literally took me like 20 seconds to do this. Let's do something else. All right, here's an aluminum rod from Home Depot. I use this for random bracketry and supports and stuff. So we're gonna polish this out and see how it turns out. Okay, just a little bit of Dura-Coating on there. I'm just gonna go in and out real quick. Actually curious how this is gonna look. Moderate pressure again, and not too much product. We're probably gonna spend like 15 seconds doing this. Anyone counting? Is it 15 seconds yet? If I was a lazy guy, I'd be like, this is done. All right, look at that. Mind you, this thing's raw. Used to look like, oh, there's a better example, like this. Now it looks like a freaking mirror. And I only spent what, 10-15 seconds doing this? Maybe 20 max? Not too much product and moderate pressure. Freaking imagine if I spent more time actually polishing this, you know, like a minute. Right, here's how it looks like. FYI, if you're gonna polish anything, wear gloves, unless you don't care about turning your hands black, which I don't. Look at that. Look at that reflection, dude. Insane, insane. Here's how the other side looks, raw. See that? From that to that. See that? Wow, crazy. If I really wanted to polish this, I would have sanded it down a little bit to get rid of the pits. As you can see right there, there's some pitting. This is raw, and it's not a big deal, but look at that. Wow. Freaking insane. Probably the best polish I've ever used, ever. Beats Mother's Billet all day. Now, I love Mother's Billet, but the Dura-Coating stuff, this stuff works so well. I mean, it's easy to apply. It comes off super easy. Wow, just comes off super easy. And you know, compared to the Mother's Billet, this is a win because it's easy to apply. You work less, you get more shine, and it's huge. It's big. I mean, also it costs more, yeah, of course, but you know, it'll last you longer and easier on your freaking arms because I polish things manually. I don't have pads or anything like that. So if you have pads, this will work even better. So there you go. This is not an infomercial. I didn't get paid for this, but it's so good that I want you guys to actually benefit from this. Peace.